Hello, my name is Paul again, and this will be the third lecture. And today we want to draw a tank top from the back. Okay, so you get the back. From the first lecture, you are supposed to say the back only. Then you can get the bag, and then we can make a tank top with this bag. Okay, so first of all, we need to make a new the neck. So that's why with the tool F key, and then we need to copy this line and move up. So hold down the line until you see two parallel curves, and then you type in 3.75 and press enter. And then now we need to connect this line up to the shoulder line. So select this line and click and make a right button to finish. And then we need to draw again the neckline. So that's why we put the cursor here, not here, here, and then type 1.75, enter, and then it is now S. We need to change it to T by pressing right button, and then you click here. And now we want to make a neckline, so connect this point and make a S, and connect this point, and then press right button, and put your cursor here and make a right button. Then it changes to the curve tool, then click and move, and you can make the neck curve. And if you are satisfied, then you press left button at any other place, then you are done. And then second thing we need to do is we want to extend this center line up to 17.5. So this is the first time to teach you this tool. You put your cursor near this reference point, and then by pressing shift key and at the same time press right button, then it will show some dialog box, adjust the curve. So new length, as I told you, should be 17.5, and press enter. And then we need to move this line with the copy. So same thing, press holding down and move your left side until you see this the two curved lines, and then you can move. You don't have to press your left button, you can be released. And then if you are moving here, then you cannot know exactly what is the end. So if you go down your cursor, then you can see the snap point. Then if it is a snap, then press left button to finish it. And then third one, we need to make shorter this one a little bit. And then same thing, put your cursor near the reference point, and by pressing shift key and make a right button, you will see the dialog box. And then now we'll make 8.75 and press OK. And then now we make the tank top shoulder, so we need to make shorter. Okay, but before we make shorter, okay, we need to remove unnecessary lines. So okay, drag these two lines, press delete key, and here we delete, and here we clear the corner inside and make a right button to remove this part. So this one, and drag until inside to remove this part, and press right button. And at this moment we can make shorter this one, and the moving point, the reference point should be here. So you put your cursor near the reference point by pressing shift key and make a right button. It will show a dialog box. Then you type in 1.25 at new length and press enter. Then it became shorter. And now we need to draw from here. Okay, make a T, and then the distance should be 9.5. Press enter. Okay, and now we need to make copy this one, so that's why we need to move this way, and you snap here. Okay, press enter. And now we need to connect this line to here, and click, make a right button. And actually you don't need this line anymore, so the select and delete key here, select and delete key, select and delete key. And now we need to make a new armhole, so that's why we connect this one and this one, and press right button. And to make a curve according to this line, so that's why, okay, here press right button and click and make a curve. You can use 2 or 3 points to make curve as much as you want. Okay, and if you made, then okay, press left button at any other location, and we need to remove this line, select and press delete key. Then now you have this one, and also we need to move this point, okay, around the 1.5 inch to the right. So okay, we need to change to A tool, okay, and put the cursor on here, press enter. Then it will ask how much the point should be moved. Then at the X direction 1.5, and you can see before you press OK. So if it is correct, then now you enter or press OK. And now we need to make a curve here, so it is already a tool, so just click and one more click and make a curve. And that's it. Okay, and with this one I want to make a piece, pattern piece. To make a pattern piece, use T tool, and then select the whole piece, and then the color will be changed to gray. Then you press right button to finish, then orange color, and you put the cursor on this piece and hit the space bar, then it changes to the hand shape. So then just move. You don't have to press, I'm sorry. Just move the cursor, then the piece should be attached to the mouse, so you can move anywhere you want. Okay, and then with this one I want to show you today two things. One thing is to unfold. Okay, if you see the tool bars, there are two lines of toolbars on your left side. Then the leftmost one is mainly for the design. Still you can use some the tools for your patterns, but most of them they will be used for the design. And the next one, these tools almost they are for the pattern, modify whatever, seaming, grain line change, whatever. So today I want to show you two tools only. The right side tool, and then from the bottom, second one, it is called pattern symmetry. So shortcut is Shift X and click this one, and it will show you three options. First one, if you click the first one, and if you click the symmetry line, and then it unfolds. But this is good for two changing. For example, if you change it, then if you change the top part, then the bottom part will be changed also at the same time. So I will make undo, and then the first option is that one, unfold but symmetry unfold. So if you change the upside, then it will affect the downside too. Second one, this is for make a folder. So if you click here, then it shows the folder sign. And there is an option, it is move grain line to axis. So that's why the grain line moved to this axis. So if we open at the marking, then the grain line should be at the center. So that's why they are using this option. If you don't like, uncheck and apply, and then we can move this grain line anywhere. So I will do it again. If you don't check here, so just click this one. The grain line still is here, and then just it makes a folder sign. And that was the second one, and then I will do undo, and the third option, it just opens it. So if I click here, then it opens. So there are three options. One is unfold with the symmetric. Second one, it makes a fold sign. The third one, it opens and the regularly. It doesn't have any special function. Okay, just open. Okay, and the second one I want to show you, it is a Sim tool, S. The shortcut is S. So if you press S and then you click any point, not the line. If you click this point, then it will show you a dialog box and you type in 3/8 and it will ask only selected pattern, all pattern of work area, this area, or all pattern of style here. So there's only one pattern. It doesn't matter which options. Okay, if you press click OK, then you will see the seam line. But okay, if you cannot see the seam line, then you press F7. F7 is the toggle to show you the seam line or not. Okay, that's the F7. And then if you want to clear this seam line here, then okay, that means the here this part should be 0 seam. So then at this time you press 0 and press enter. Then you can see S equals 0. That means whenever I clear the line, the seam will be gone. Okay, so if I click here, seam should be 0. Okay, and if you want to make for example this part 1/2 inch seam, then press 0.5 and you're surely pressing enter and click here. Then can you see that it is a 1/2 inch seam. Okay, so then the F7 is showing seam or not. Okay, so then I taught you the two pattern tools. First one was unfold, okay, with the shortcut Shift and X, and second one I showed you seam, shortcut is S. You click here and then you can put all the seam the amounts, okay, all the pieces or only the selected pieces. Okay, I think this is all for today. Okay, thank you.